Today we are doing only thighs workout. Okay, please shoulder level distance between your feet. Long inhale, exhale down like that. Stretch. Inhale up with the breath. Exhale down. Your knee not outside from your toe. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Down. Inhale up. Exhale. And hold your pace. Your gaze between your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knee. 6. Bend your knee. 7, 8, 9. Up. Long inhale. Exhale. Your right leg fold. Catch your right knee with the left hand. Right knee, left hand. And the other hand back. Balance here. 1. Yes. 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5. Look your hand. 6. कीजिए. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. बदलिए. चेंज प्लीज. लॉन्ग इनहेल. दूसरी साइड से हाथ को देखना है. बैलेंस रखिए इधर. 1, 2. रिलैक्स ब्रेथ. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Yes. Wide leg please. And your foot should be outside please. Your foot point outside. पाँव पैर बाहर की तरफ रहेंगे आपके. पाँव. लॉन्ग इनहेल. एक्सेल डाउन लाइक दैट. स्ट्रेच. यस. इनहेल अप. एक्सेल डाउन. Inhale up with the breath. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and your hand down, ma'am, here like that. Exhale. Stretch please. Inhale up. Exhale down and hold please. Hold here, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. But stay there. Long inhale. Exhale now. Again bend your knee and your right hand down front of your right foot. Stretch your pelvic muscles and your left hand up. Yes. 1. Little bit down, madam. 1. Yes. 2, 3. Shabash. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Long inhale. Exhale. Other side, please drop your hand. 1. Down. 2, 3 more twist. 4, 5. Yes. 6, 7, 8. Palm bend down. 9, 10. Up. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Shake your leg. Come top of your mat. Here we are doing only Asana and Asana. You both hand here. Come top of your mat. Inhale, both hand up. Exhale down, Asana, and your right leg back here. Stretch your pelvic muscle. Don't drop your knee here. Your right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Asana. Your left leg back. Stretch your pelvic muscle. Inhale your left leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down, Asana. Your right leg back. Stretch your pelvic region. Right leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down, Asana. Your left leg back. Stretch please. Left leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Your right leg back, stretch your pelvic region. Your right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Your left left leg back, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Right leg back and hold here, please, madam. One stretch your pelvic muscle. Don't drop your knee. पाँव नीचे leg पाँव आगे रखिए. 1, 2, 3, yes. 4, don't drop your knee. Look forward, sir. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg forward. Yes, bend back. Stretch your body back, please. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Samne, madam. Yes, now your left leg back and hold here. Stretch your pelvic region. Don't drop your knee. 1, Swarna ma'am. 2, 3, very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg forward, please. Inhale up, bend back, and just relax, please. Take a long inhale. Exhale, shake a leg. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Now, come top of your mat, please, again. Yes. Your left leg back here. Inhale, Chandra Namaskar. Inhale up here like that. Inhale, Chandra Namaskar. Warrior first, you also call. Now, exhale down, forward, Prasarit Padhastasana. Touch your head. Touch your head with the knee. Inhale up with the breath, please. Stretch your pelvic region here. Exhale down. Yes, keep your knee straight. Slowly, with the balance. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down. Yes. Inhale up with the breath. Inhale up. Bend your knees, sir. Slowly. Exhale down. Inhale up. Stretch your pelvic region. Slowly, ma'am. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold here. Bend your knee. 1, 2, 3. मैम थोड़ा क्लोज रखिए तब बैलेंस आएगा ना आपको. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knee straight, down, forward, Prasad Padhastasana. मैम थोड़ा क्लोज कीजिए लेग, थोड़ा सा आगे रखिए बस. 1, keep your leg straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. लेग इधर की. 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg forward. Shake your leg, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Switch your leg. Your left leg forward. Inhale, both hand up. Up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up with a breath. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold, please. Stretch your body back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg straight down, forward, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your leg straight, madam. 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Shake your leg, please. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Eagle pose, bend your both knee. Your left leg round on right. Interlock both hand and look up. थोड़ा पीछे जाइए. बस 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 हो गया. Yes, very good. In ma'am, your hand here and look up. One, yes, very good. Two, three, four, five, six, look up. Seven, eight, nine, 10. Let's please switch your leg. Yes. Bend your knee. Look up. One, ऊपर देखिए. Two, three, look up. Four, five, six, yes. Seven, eight, nine, 10. Let's please. Long inhale. Now warrior third, Virabhadrasana third. Come center of the mat. Your right leg back straight and both hand forward like that. Look towards the mat. Make a T shape with your body. One, two, hand forward, ma'am. Balance आएगा. Four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Yes. Legs, please. Switch your leg. Your left leg. Don't go down. Yes. Stretch your leg. One. Yes. Balance here. Two, three. पावनी जी. Four, five. थोड़ा बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Six, seven, eight, nine. Relax, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Shake leg, please. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Come now. Yes. Your left leg back here like that. Left leg back. Drop your left knee. Left knee down कीजिए. Yes. Now inhale, both hand up. Stretch your pelvic region. Exhale, knee straight down forward. Touch your head with your knee like that. Half Hanuman Asana. Inhale up, keep movement. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And hold, please. Stretch your pelvic region. One, two, three, yes. Four more. Five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Knee straight, exhale down forward, please. Keep your leg straight here. One, tight. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Here now, your left hand down front of your right leg and your right hand up. Yes. Right hand up, sir. One. Keep your right leg straight. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Drop your hand. And now just start to straight your leg. Just try, use your strength according to you, please. According to you. Yes. One, two, three, four. इधर रखिए हाथ. Five. Your hand should be here. Six, seven, eight, nine. Close. Long inhale and exhale. Close your leg. You can use both bits, no? Close your leg, please. Long inhale. Exhale. Now your left leg forward, please. Inhale, both hand up. Exhale down. Exhale down, madam. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Knee straight. Inhale up. And hold, please. One, two, three, Stretch your body. 4, 5, stretch your pelvic region. 6, 7, 8, 9, knee straight. Down forward, please. Keep your leg straight, touch your head with the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your right hand down, left hand up, please here. Right hand down front of left foot, left hand up. 1, मैडम ये लेग्स इधर रखिए. 2, 3, मैडम लेफ्ट हैंड अप. 4, लेफ्ट हैंड. 5, 6, पाँव नीचे, हाथ इधर की. 7, 8, yes. 9, 10, yes. Drop your left hand. Yes. Just start to stretch your leg forward. According to you, please. How much you can do? I sir. According to you, please. 1, जितना आप कर सकते हैं. 2, 3, 4, कितना? 5, it is okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close, please. Long inhale. Exhale.